Jain students, today we will move for the few programs of Python into which we will try to generate different designs with the help of programs of Scratch. So I am going to start my Scratch. As I told you in previous class, whatever movement is done, the central angle will be at 360 degree. How many means for your figures, it is containing how many sides. As per that sides you can find out the angles, right? So today I am going to make a triangle, and that triangle will not only a triangle, so many triangles it will be created over here. So for this, what to do? First of all, I am going to shrink my sprite, putting it at some other location, and I am going to make a first triangle. Now to make triangle, we know 120-degree angle should be there, right? So for this, first of all, what to do? We will clear it. The screen will clear first, then we will down our pen so that it can draw something. Now set pen color to whatever color you want. It is given green. If you want to make changes in the color, you can pick any color. Suppose I need suppose I need this color. Any color you can take. I need this color. I have taken this, right? So by this you can change your color. Pen color I have taken. Now then we will have to draw a triangle. So control, we are going to have a triangle means three sides. I have given three sides. Its movement, suppose it is going to move 100 steps, right? And it will turn how much degree? 360 divided by 3, that is 120 degree it will move, right? Now if I see it on full screen, you can see a triangle has been created. Now I am going to move it little bit, means suppose I am going to turn it for 15 degree. Now see what will happen. The turtle will move 15 degree, right? Now after this 15 degree, what to do? This repetition not for 3 times, suppose I have given it for 30 times. Now run the program. The same it is making over there, but what to do? We have to change. Suppose I have its angle I have changed with 30 degree. Now see, run it. Now see here, 30 degree, something different figure has been created. Have you seen? Because it is moving for 30 degrees. Suppose this repetition I made for 50 times, right? Now see, when I run it, it will be more dense, right? Suppose I am going to change its 120 degree to 110 degree. What figure it will draw? See here. Is it? Now by this you can make changes in the angle. Suppose I have given it for 60 degree. What figure? See here. 60 plus 30 it has given. 30 I am going to remove from here. Now see, sprite I am going to put over here. See on full screen. This beautiful design has created. If you want to make it more dense, then its size you decrease first and number of repetition you increase. After this, when you run this program, now suppose meanwhile you want to while you are generating it, you want to change its location also. Then what to do? To change its location, I am going to change the location. At every time it is going to change the location. Suppose change x by 10 I have taken, I put over here. Now you can see it has been done like this one, right? Suppose it is going to be done by 2 and sprite I put over here. Now see, when I run it, likewise different designs you can create with the help of your Scratch. Now this was a simple program. Suppose I have to draw any of the drawing on our stage. What to do? First remove it, make it clear everything, or whatever you want to make. After that you want to show or hide your sprite, this can be done with the help of this one. Now the next thing we are going to see, first I made it clear, then put it in right direction. Suppose some message, as I told you, some message you want to display, then looks, right? Suppose it is going to make a square and it will wait for some time to say hello. Then what to do? Event, I take this one, then take clear, then I have taken hide, right? Then motion, for that control I am going to take for 4 times. It will move and the motion will be of 75 steps. Then it will turn for 90 degree. It will turn for 90 degree. Then it will say hello for 2 seconds for every turn, right? Now when I run this, what will happen?
और नाम सर अब तो देखिए
And suppose it is saying hello, run it, hide, I am going to remove from here. So now you can see it is saying hello. Now this hello I am going to use, it will say for 2 seconds, not permanent. Then what will happen? When I run this, at every location it will say hello, whatever message you want to show with hello. Suppose it should play some sound, it should play some sound. I have taken this sound. And every time, suppose it will say meow. You can see here. Is it? Means with movement it will say, at every 4 movements it will say meow and it will say hello also. A sound will be there, right? Suppose I am going to make a square, and in opposite of this square another square should be there. For that, what we will do, remove this one. Now come to the event when clicked, then your pen, it should be clear. After clear, pen down I have taken, then control 4 times it will repeat square 4 times. Then I kept this sprite here. It will make 4 squares. Then after making the square, it will move for 75 steps. Then it will turn for 90 degree. Now after this, I will see where it is going. It should be 90 degree. And 75 steps. I put over here. Now this square, in opposite of this square I want to make a square, then I am turning it for left side 90 degree. After this, right, I am turning it for 90 degrees. What will happen, you can see when you click, it has been turned. Now it will move upward 75 degree, then it will turn left. So what to do, I will take a control of repetition 4 times, right, 4 times it will repeat, and its motion will be of 75 steps. Then it will turn left 90 degree. It will turn left side 90 degree, right? Now see here. Now as for this, suppose from here to here I have to make another square. What to do? The direction is right, only I have to move here, then I will turn right. So this step I am going to make its duplicate, right turn, duplicate, and I put over here, join it. You can see here it has been created. When you are going to run your script, you will see that 3 rectangles has been created. Now the 4th we have to make from here. Again we have to move 90 degree, right? So it will turn towards left side. So 90 degree I have turned it. Now run it. From here it will go up and turn 90 degree left side. So left side means this one has to be repeated. So take out this one, make its duplicate, put here, join all, then run it. All 4 squares has been created. So students, by this you can draw different shapes and all on your screen, right? Suppose I want to make a square, inside that square a circle should be there. Likewise I am going to make. So first of all, make it clear. Put your cursor like this. I am going to make this square, right, of 100 steps. I made this square. Inside this a circle should be there. So I will turn it for 45 degree. 45 degree it has been turned, and then I am moving it for 25 steps. Now run it, you can see here, but it will draw, right? So here pen down I am going to do, pen up, so it will not draw anything on the screen. After this you can see here it has come. From here I will make a circle. To make a circle, what to do? A repetition, 360 degree we have to rotate, right? So what to do? I will repeat it once. Okay, the movement will be of, suppose this is 50 step, and it will turn for 5 or 1 degree, suppose I have taken. Now see, it has moved, but pen down I have to take from here. What figure it is making, that we have to see. So students, just see, this has created only a straight line, and to make a circle, put your cursor here, move it far. To make circle, suppose I have taken this one, then control 24 times, right, and then motion, it will be 75 degree, and it will turn for, suppose 15 degree. No. 360 by 22, 12 degree, suppose I am going to take. I am taking this 25. Keep your now it's a circle, right? Inside that circle, after this I made pen up. Now move it by, suppose I am going to move it 45 degree, right? Now see here, it has moved. From here I am moving it for some steps. Suppose I have taken 100 steps. You can see, because the pen is up, it is not going to draw anything on the screen. I removed it. Now run. Pen down we have to take. First of all, clear. Pen down. Now see. Right? If I am turning it for 90 degree and movement is of 200, then we will see what is going to happen. Okay, and 225 I am going to take. 225. Near about circle with its chord, it has been created. Likewise, different shapes you can make, right? So students, this was the same you can do at your home, and few more example we are going to see suppose I have to make a hut. First you keep your sprite over here, turn it to make it straight. Right, now I am going to move it for 125, then turn it for 90-degree right side, right, then move it for 100 steps, then turn it for 90-degree, again make its duplicate and paste here, even when clicked. Now see here, if I am going to rotate it for 45 degree, okay, I am rotating it for 45 degree towards left side, 45 degree, then see here, from here I will make a straight line, movement of 75 steps, then it will turn 120 degree on the right hand side, 120 degree, then it will again move for 75 degree. Now I am running it, going to run it. Here we have to put over here. Now, so if I am going to increase its size, we will see, means whatever you want to draw, that can be drawn on your screen. Okay students, so this was all for today. We will meet in the next class with some more examples and some new commands.